Don't cook cod until you see this. It's perfect for Good Friday. Here, in a pot of water, I'm going to start by washing all this cod. Next, I'll drain this water out, add fresh water, and add the cod already cut into smaller pieces. Here, I used roughly 700 grams. I'll let it boil, change the water, and cook 4 potatoes and a carrot. After draining, transfer to a container, and now add a generous amount of olive oil on top. Guys, I cooked the potato and the carrot with the cod to enhance the flavor. Here, I'll add a half-moon cut onion, a bit of olive. I used black olive and some parsley. I'm going to season it with a bit of black pepper. A bit of salt. Once that's done, all we have to do is mix everything really well. After mixing, I'll take it and move it to a smaller container. To finish before serving, I'll add a bit more olive oil on top. Now, garnish with a bit of hard-boiled egg. And now guys, all that's left to do is finish the decoration and savor it. This cod salad is awesome, super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I guarantee everyone will love it. I hope you all enjoyed it. This is yet another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. A big hug. See you next time and thanks.